Dance can and must happen anywhere, for anyone, with anyone.
It can and must transform everyone and everything it touches.
But in a precarious arts ecosystem, how we continue to reach the dance curious and make all of this happen depends on you.
We are Pickle Factory Dance Foundation and we carve out hubs to think,
Meet, talk, know,
Imagine dance.
and it is time for our annual fundraiser.
We are trying to raise 26 lakhs by our 9th birthday in July.
and here's where you come in.
You could contribute to the Pickle Pulse.
This supports the running and maintenance of our work and rehearsal space.
You could be a pickle pal.
That helps us, the team, to do what we do.
You could be a pickle patron.
And support one of our many projects. Or a pioneer.
This supports to build our corpus, to fulfill our big dream, to have our own home for dance.
With our fundraiser last year, we were able to start renovating our space.
Do internal capacity building work.
And continue to work on our multi-year recurring series.
So head on to our website and help us continue make homes for dance